I need a suggestion for a restaurant here in Manhattan.
Certainly. How much are you planning to spend on dinner, sir?
My date's very sophisticated, so I'm sure she would expect nothing but the best.
May I suggest our own hotel restaurant? It got 3 stars in the latest restaurant review.
No, thank you. I want to go out on the town. What other ideas do you have?
There's always Gramercy Tavern. They have live jazz. The food is delicious, but very expensive.
That sounds like a good place to take a date. Can you make a reservation for me?
As you wish, sir. You'll have a wonderful time.